This is the Adelaide Aviation Museum at Port Adelaide, South Australian Aviation. Here we have the mighty F-111. Oh, what a big plane. Got one of these in the backyard. And over here we have the Vampire. Serial A79202. Over here we have a Canberra. And up there is the C-47, famous C-47. Have a lot of uses. And up there is the F-27, Friendship. Marvellous. He's everybody's favourite, the Spitfire. Wow. Very nice plane. They have a lot of good models also here. Engines. It's a very good museum. This Spitfire is serial EE853 up. Here you have a light aircraft. VHDOL. Hyper Comanche. And over there we have a BAC 146. I wouldn't mind one of these in the backyard. It's in the cockpit. Overall, a very good museum.